Imagine you're part of a team building a massive bridge across a river, or maybe working on a new offshore oil platform. These are not everyday tasks. They're challenges with a clear beginning, a clear end, and a result that changes the world around us. But here's the question: what makes these efforts different from ordinary day-to-day work? Stay with me, because by the end of this lecture, you'll know exactly what a project really is and why understanding it is the first step to becoming a successful project manager. A project is defined as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. Temporary means it doesn't go on forever. There's a start and there's a finish. Unique means the outcome is one of a kind. It hasn't been done in exactly the same way before. Unlike routine operations, projects are goal-oriented and time-bound, designed to bring about meaningful change. Let's make it real with examples from the oil and gas industry. A product, building a new gas pipeline. A result, completing a feasibility study for offshore drilling. A service, rolling out a safety training program across multiple refineries. Each of these has a defined beginning, a specific end, and a clear deliverable, making them true projects. Here's why this matters. Projects are the engines of change in every industry. Operations keep things running, but projects move us forward, bringing innovation, expansion, and progress. Think of every great engineering achievement in history: the world's tallest skyscraper, a groundbreaking energy plant, or even a space mission. They all began as projects. So let's recap what we've learned today. A project is temporary. It produces something unique. It drives change and innovation. But wait, there's one big question left. If projects are so unique, how do we actually manage them from start to finish without losing control? That's exactly what we'll uncover in the next lecture, where I'll walk you through the project lifecycle, the step-by-step roadmap that every successful project follows. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Drop a comment with an example of a project you've seen in real life, maybe in construction, IT, or even a school assignment. And don't forget to join me in the next lecture, where we'll reveal how a project transforms from just an idea into a completed success story. See you there.